Hi, my name is Catarina Sinclair, and the purpose of this video is to discuss about an article that I did find on New York Times website. The article is called "Do Brain Workouts Work? Science Isn't Sure," and it was written by Tara Parker Pope, March 10th, 2014. The purpose of the article is to debate whether these brain training websites and businesses are actually benefiting us or are they just costly. The purpose of these websites, such as Lumicity, which is a popular one, is to exercise the brain, to strengthen it, and to reduce the chances of memory loss and brain dysfunction. I honestly feel that in today's society, people are aware of these games that actually help stimulate and strengthen the brain, because many people participate in playing Sudoku and crosswords and other matching games, which is much cheaper than the websites that is being promoted. But these websites are quite popular and people are willing to spend the money in order to keep the brain going. I honestly find that they are correct. I've learned that the brain is a muscle. And just like how you need to strengthen the muscle, you need to work out, you need to remain fit. Otherwise, the muscle will weaken. In the same way, the brain needs to be strengthened. It needs to be exercised. It needs to remain fit. Otherwise, it will weaken it. The cells that we lose will not be replaced. And the brain will continue to shrink, because naturally we already know that it does shrink as we age. Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, it's quite popular in today's society. I do feel that these brain training exercises will, if it doesn't reduce the chances, then it will delay the process. But either way, it's healthy for the brain and it can only do good, in my opinion. If I was to further this research, I would interview the elderly population. I know that the article did an experiment in trying to test out this theory, but I would actually interview the elderly population who are participating in these brain activities and game websites, those who ain't. Why are they? Or why aren't they? And if they do see the benefits in their quality of life, just to get an understanding of where people's mind at, and just to understand why they do participate in these games. This article is very much related to this course, because this course is about human learning, and it does focus on the early developmental stage and then the school stage. But this article highlights that learning never stops. Learning is from young to very old, and it's because the brain is a muscle that always constantly needs to be exercised, constantly needs to be strengthened in order to reduce weakening, to reduce dysfunctioning, to reduce the diseases and memory loss and all the other problems that can occur. But I do believe that it increases the quality of life. It increases the chances of enjoying life and having good memory, etc. And the older I get, I honestly feel that I will continue learning. I will continue learning an instrument or learning a language or something, just to keep the mind going, because it's healthy and it only does good for the body. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.